Country is our collective responsibility as Kenyans. Towards this end, we are working closely with other security agencies to ensure that our country is safe and secure for all of us. We also appeal to all members of the public to remain vigilant in crowded areas.
Girivotera Kameme TV jitogo mohura wagunya.
Maafitha a borithi muthenya wa umuthi matinda magititimurana na muingi barabara-ini ya Outer Ring kuria rurungania ya mauma na itanya ria kuingira kiharo-ini kinene kia ndege kia JKIA itanya riria muthia ritanakinyanira. Ndugamano ino iria yakiriirie o uria mahinda ma kwigeraga ni cungiriirie ugitiri kugacirithio makiria nginyanagia kuhitukira maafitha a mbiraru kuria icungiriirie miingirire kiharo-ini giki kuritoha kuria no athii aria marihite tigiti wa umuthi magwitikagirio kuingira kiharo-ini kia JKIA. Mwandiki Bataro wa Mwangi nwe uhang'ire riboti ino na tuhariria.
Ni muthi uria ukiire uringi urongoreirio marakara ma mbeu njithi ya Gen Z kuri itanya ria umuthi riuma kuingira kiharo-ini kinene kia ndege kia JKIA. Kuma rucini kiharo giki gia ikara rungu rwa ugitiri munene, maafitha a borithi makinyitanira na maafitha a mbiraru kugiririria ugwati o wothe. Ona miingirire kiharo-ini giki yagia na uritu kuri ona aria magukaga gutunga andu ao magiririo kuingira makibatara kumeterera nja ya ihingo ciakuo kuri uria ugwitikagirio kuingira ario mundu uria uma na tigiti wa thabari ya umuthi.
Kuna mpendwa wetu alikuwa nasafiri, so ilikuwa napata kuja alikuwa anasafiri kufika huko, so ikawa tumeambiwa ya kwamba tuwezi ingia mpaka tumsubiri afike wakati mwingine, hiyo baadaye ndio tutaingia.
Ametoka US aka drop in Dubai, na tukifika kwa airport tumeambiwa tuwezi ingia, so inabidi turudi tumngojee mahali
pale. Security tunajaribu kuambia mnaenda wapi, tukaambia tumerelax, tumekaa mtu kutembea tuone venye hali iko, and as much as it is we're just trying to fix it.
Mathaini mathainya arurugani mambiriria gwikirira ritana ria uria gwikinyia nginyagia kiharo-ini giki kuria ndugamano igiire iguru makiria barabara-ini ya Outer Ring. Muingi wa matura maria marigiceirie makiria itura ria Pipeline meyumiria kung'ethanira na maafitha a borithi aya kuria uhingire barabara ino na mahiga haukuyo githarara kwa makiria mathaa matandatu. Haha wira munene wa maafitha a borithi uma kugiririria rurungani yothe gukira migiko-ini na kwerekera riingiriro-ini o riothe ria kiharo kia JKIA. Kaingi maafitha a ugitiri magicungiririo kuhuthira riera ria kuruta maithori na mai ma kuraraka mwiri. Ta mutugo mirurungano-ini ica ikuhi, ngari ici itari na namba ciahuthika kurehe maafitha a borithi aria matauma na uniform na aria mahuthikire kuingira cocoro-ini itiganite niguo kuruturura rurungani. Thutha wa kung'ethanira na rurungania ya kwa ihinda, muthia maafitha a mbiraru macungiririo gwikinyia barabara-ini no onao magiteithiriria makiria hari kuhingura barabara-ini na gucokereria ukui o ta mutugo. Mururungano wa umuthi ukagiritanio na ndeto iria irakuruhania thirikari na itenya ria kwenda kwendia kiharo giki kuri kambuni imwe ya kuma bururi wa India, undu uria minista munene Musalia Mudavadi arareganire naguo muthenya wa ira mbere ya kamiti ya bunge ya bajeti.
Jomo Kenyatta Airport is not on sale. This is a public asset. It is a strategic asset, and if it was going to be sold, you can only do it after a full public process that parliament endorses.
Thutha wa mirurungano ya muthenya mugima, maafitha a borithi na mbiraru ni mahotire kugiririria rurungani gukorwo makiingira kiharo-ini kia ndege kia JKIA. Mirurungano ni kioneka kwaga gukinya muthia ica ikuhi. Arini Kameme TV kuma barabara ya Outer Ring, kaunti ya Nairobi. Ndeterakwa ni Bataro wa Mwangi.
Riboti iyo ya Bataro wa Mwangi ni tugukorwo tugikiria nayo ikireka ria mbere ria mohoro matura-ini. Ndugagibashie mitambo ni tugucokereria.
Maya ni mohoro ma Kameme TV.
Furahia na Star Star Times. Enjoy our amazing channels with the best dramas and telenovelas daily. Discover your love language.
Will you marry me?
Words of affirmation.
I'm sure I like you because you're unlike everyone. You are my baby.
Quality time.
Life isn't worth living without you.
Receiving gifts.
Thank you.
Acts of service. And physical touch to build a love that lasts. Furahia na Star Times. Buy the DTH decoder for only 2,999 shillings and top up 200 shillings to enjoy unlimited entertainment on the Smart Bouquet. You can also link your decoder to the Star Times on app to enjoy unlimited entertainment on the go, anytime, anywhere. Star Times. Enjoy digital life.
Maũndũ maikaraga magĩcenjagia ũtukũ na mũthenya.